Okay? But then we try to get something out of nature. And we try to get out of family and friends and food, adventure and exercise and work and vacations and we try to get more out of that than they have to offer. It's all not nice. God made it all good. Having a family is good and work is good. If not too ambitiously, if industriously but not ambitiously, it's good. Going hiking and bike riding and seeing some of God's great green earth, it's all good. Okay? And exercise, it's good. And learning some things, it's good. It's all good. Okay? And food, God's banquet that He gave us, it's good. But there's only so much there. Ultimately, there's got to be more. So we check out the churches and the temples and the ashrams, and some of us go from church to church, and we go from Buddhism to yoga to different brands of Christianity. We try all different things. Okay? And the words are nice, and some of the people are nice, but something is missing. Well, what's missing is experiencing God. That's what's missing. And having revealed to you from within what is true. You can see for yourself, instead of just having someone else tell you what's true. Instead of someone else talking about religion, or reading about religion, or studying religion, or hearing about it, you find out what it really is. See? And you find out within. It's wordlessly revealed to you. Intuitively, you just see. You wake up one morning and you just see. And then the adventure begins.